This is from the book Coexisting with China. I'm at page 46. Give up bad habits of tobacco, puria, cigarette, and drugs. In India, a large section of our population is a victim of bad habits. Except Kalisar and Sharmaji, all my workers in my dairy are in the habit of chewing tobacco or puria. Basudev is in the habit of drinking and so couldn't work in my dairy for long. When I met him last, about 2 or 3 months back, in 2016, he said that he had taken a vow of committing suicide because his daughter and son in law were trying to oust him from his land. Don't think of suicide. Give up your bad habit of drinking. Live bravely. I'll control your son in law and daughter in law. I console Vasudev. No, I'll keep my vow. Once I utter something, I keep my word. Vasudev was speaking like a drunkard. I come to page 47. He, that means Vasudev, has not committed suicide, but has failed to make a compromise with his daughter and her husband. Finally, he did commit suicide, as I am told. I promised an award to my young worker Dharmendra, this is another case, if he gives up tobacco. I promised an award to my young worker Dharmendra if he gives up tobacco. But he says, I try and try, but can't get rid of my tobacco. Some Indians get into the habit of chewing tobacco at a very tender age. A child sees his father powdering small bits of tobacco leaf on the left palm. A bit of lime is added to the tobacco to make it more intoxicating. The right thumb is used against the palm of the left hand for rubbing and powdering the small bits of tobacco leaf. The powder is patted to get rid of dusty part. The father shares the prepared tobacco with his friends, and almost simultaneously they put the tobacco between the gum of the lower teeth and the inner part of the lower lip. Inside the mouth, after some intoxication, they start spitting. The Indian children see this 100 times, and one day they too taste tobacco, and they become habitual chewers of tobacco. There are hundreds and hundreds of young Indians like my servant Dharmender who chew tobacco. Now I come to page 48. I have a small, beautiful, empty pouch of tobacco. It has an attractive fragrance. My servant, Mangla, has thrown it away after consuming the tobacco. The pouch is labeled Kabutari, a female pigeon. This means a female pigeon. There is a picture of a small boy with a sweet face. On the pouch is printed the picture of two scorpions. There is a statutory warning: tobacco causes cancer. The word cancer is so printed that it is hardly visible. The warning, chewing of tobacco is injurious to health, remains. On the packet of cigarette is given a horrifying photo of throat cancer. These warnings have little meaning for those who have got into the habit of smoking or chewing tobacco. 18/7/2018. The last about 1 month, I am brooming and cleaning the road, street and pavement adjacent to my small farmhouse. मतलब घर के बाहर सड़क पर झाड़ू दे रहे कुछ दिन से. I have cleaned hundreds of empty packets of tobacco and puria. Puria is manufactured by processing cheap betel nuts with some intoxicants. सड़ा हुआ कसेली से कुछ बनाता है इस पुरिया. Once the habit of taking puria is formed, it is difficult to put an end to this dangerous habit. This is all for part 1. and then part 2 will follow. That's all. Thank you very much.